His name is Phone Hug. His name is Phone Hug. And he is my friend. And he is my friend. He's a friend of the art. He's a friend of the art. A friend of plain water. A friend of plain water and air. A friend of the environment. A friend of the environment. A friend of all ages. A friend of all ages. And a friend to my fellow Hmong. And he is one. Born in long gang war. Born in long gang war. Torn lungs. He survived tougher times. He survived tougher times. Memories. Grievance and sorrow. Grievance and sorrow. People died. When our people died in a great abundance. He cried. America taught him to raise his head high, leaving all sadness behind. To be kind to others, and he will rise. Today he is our state senator of St. Paul East Side. He is hard working. He is for the have-nots. Fighting for the poor, working family. He is for uplifting economic situation. The leader of that person. He is the senator of the heart, trying to build wings like a bird. His name is Phone. He is hard working. He is for the have-nots. Fighting for the poor, working family. He is for uplifting economic situation. The leader of that person. He is the senator of the heart.